Hello friends, welcome to this new unboxing video. Today we are going to do the unboxing of this, the Fossil Q Marshal smartwatch that is where. And as we can see that the box, it comes with, it is compatible with Android, it is compatible with iOS, and the price mentioned here is 20,000 rupees. So approximately in India it's of 20,000 rupees, and after discount from Amazon you can get it little cheaper. Now let us quickly unbox it, and I'm going to yes. So let us remove the lid. It's a very cool box. Actually, the display of the watch above it showing that the watch is a very cool type. And let us just see it whether it's cool or so. Okay, here we have got the Fossil user guide. It comes with in multi languages, as you can see. It's also containing Hindi, so it also contains Hindi. So I think that Google, along with the Fossil, have made it deliberately for the Indian market. And let's flip it. Yes, it's there in Hindi. You can see it here. Warranty Sambandhi Jankari. Now here it's another guide, warranty information. And let's keep it aside. So this is the unit. Oh my god. It's looking very sleek and beautiful. Actually this watch, this is upside down. Yes, they have given here the screen is covered. There's a black cover over the screen in this portion. So I think that the display is not on the full screen. We have got one. Let's turn it. No, it's not turning. So it's not a the screwdriver, but it's okay. It's the button. The button is given here that we have to press and switch on the watch. First, let us remove this. Okay, so they have. Okay, it's looking beautiful. And let's see what's there else in the box. Okay, this is the model Q. Q denotes the Q Marshal. That's beautiful. That's innovative too. Okay, so we have got another box here. It's Fossil Q box, and here it's okay. So they have given us the charging cable. We are getting here the charging, and it's very much evident by looking at this charger that it's not going to get installed anywhere inside the watch. I think that it's wireless charging. And here you can see that there is a sign of charging, that is lightning charge. So let's we will use it, we will review it also. First let us see this, that how the watch works. Let's switch it on. Okay, so it switched on with a vibration, and Fossil, the company logo came here. Okay, so it took the time automatically. That means it's charged, it's company charged. And as I was reading, it comes with Android 8.0, that is Oreo version, and Android Wear version. And let's still it's switching on. Let's see some of the specifications of this clock, this watch. The screen size, dialer dia is 1.5 inch. That's pretty enough for us to see the time. Then the screen resolution is 320 cross 290 pixels, and with a pixel density of 287.9 ppi. So it's very much cool that it can display a very Okay, so the watch face is lit on, and we can see here the basic watch, the battery indicator. Okay, so here is gyro sensor, and it will keep track of what you are, how you are walking or running. Then they while connecting to Wi-Fi, I think that okay, so temperature is also there, displaying it here, and we have the headphone jack icon here. Then I think that's the menu. Okay, let's swipe it, let's see it. Okay, so here there are notifications, and here we can go and switch on the, so it's a settings menu, and here we can change the display, we can change the sound, apps and notifications while connecting it with our mobile. And then we have gestures, connectivity, we have accessibility and personalization, storage system. So it's very much similar to what we get in the mobile, what we get in our smartphone, the Android smartphone. It's very much similar to, okay, swiping right, it's give us more dialers apart from what we had the basic dialer and the front, and there are many much pre-installed dialers, the face of the watch, and we can add more watch faces. So let's put it back to the original one. Okay, now talking about the specifications, as I was saying, it is a water resistant watch, and it has a gyroscope. It is powered with Qualcomm processor, Snapdragon VR 2100. So it's a very strong processor. The Snapdragon series itself says everything. It is processed by RAM 512 MB. That is enough to boot and run this small watch. Then it is a single core processor with internal storage of 4 to 8 GB, depending on the variant you are going for it. And it's 8 GB variant, and it has the internal storage of 8 GB, so you can download apps here. And the chain is made up of stainless steel, and it's very beautiful chain. As you can see that it's charcoal gray color, the grayish stainless steel. So it's very much beautiful, and strap is also removable. You can remove it here from here, and you can get the leather strap if you want. From both the ends, the leather strap can be put on, removing this chain. And this is the basic fossil chain that is given in fossil chronograph watches or other watches, and it is a push unlock, push and unlock. So yes, it's very much cool feature. Now let's look at some of the features here. While pressing the power button from the side, I think that okay, it switched on and switches on again while the screen is lit, and again we press the button from here, it gives us the menu. So here we can see that the game is pre-installed, contacts, phone numbers, phones you can directly call from here. And as you can see, let me show you one thing, that here it's given a microphone, so Google detection or any calling you have to do, you can directly call it from here. You can just tell the watch, direct the watch, and give the command to the watch, and it will simultaneously run everything on your smartphone. Looking at this side, yes, there are speakers, so notifications, calls, and other things can be, alarms, you can also set alarms. I have heard that alarm can also be set here, so everything can be heard from here as a speaker. Let's go to the ringtone and see that whether its ringtone is cool enough to be heard in normal environment. So let's go to the volume. Yes, it's very much audible because your hands will always be free, so you can hear it. It's not very much powerful tone. I think that Fossil might have gone with it because then it will eat up your battery life, and it will lead to frequent charging of this watch. and then alarm is there, ringing volume. Let's see what is the ringing volume. So it's pretty much audible, and vibrate for calls. So it has got okay, it has got the options for ringtones also. And let's quickly connect it with the Wi-Fi. Sorry, let's quickly connect it with the Wi-Fi, and let's see whether it can. Okay, so it might need setup. Let us see how it gets charged. Charging, let us see the charging. So we have got the charging port, and here it's wireless charging, as we can see it here, and this is the USB cable, and there is a LED light here that will denote whether the watch is getting charged or not. So I have to place it here right below this. Okay, so it's magnetic, it's get stuck here, see. So it gets clamped there, and using my and power bank, let us charge it. Okay, as soon as I plugged in, and the LED glow started glowing, and it's showing that it's getting charged, 93% charged, and it's still charging. So it's very much easy and simple. Now I don't know about the battery backup, how much life it gives after charging. There might be a few variations if we keep the display on for almost every moment, then it very smartly and judiciously. I think that battery backup would be of much use. Still, we must understand that it's a smartwatch, so we cannot expect anything like a normal watch that we wear. That gives a good battery backup, and at the same time its battery is not as much powerful as in the smartphone. So yes, it has got 3600 mAh battery. So 3600 mAh battery, as per the specifications I can see that it has got 3600 mAh battery. So it is showing that it has got a battery life of complete 1 day. So I think that that's sufficient. Every day in the night when you come back from your work, you can again recharge it, and you can use it for the next day. So that's all for today. We have got the box, nothing in the box, and we had got the main unit, the charging cable, 2 user guides, and that's it in the box. That's all for today. We will be coming soon with another video, another update of unboxing. Till then, bye bye, take care, and please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so that another unboxing you should not miss it.